case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A legal dispute between North Valley Mall, LLC, NVM, and CVS Caremark Corporation, CVS, centered around additional common area maintenance, CAM, charges. NVM argued that the transfer of longs to CVS should trigger increased CAM charges, while CVS maintained that longs still owned the property and therefore their CAM obligations remained the same. The lower court sided with CVS, stating that in a reverse triangular merger, ownership of the surviving corporation's assets remains with that corporation. Since there was no sale or lease of the property, the further agreement was not breached. The court rejected NVM's claim that the reverse triangular merger transferred the property to CVS because the further agreement only permitted increased CAM charges if the corporate real property was sold or leased, not if corporate stock was sold. The court recognized reverse triangular mergers as a legitimate method of reorganization and concluded that both parties' obligations to pay CAM charges and provide maintenance were continuing covenants. The judgment was affirmed, and defendants were awarded costs on appeal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.